In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams for your desktop, whether you're getting ready for a virtual meeting or just want an efficient way to communicate with colleagues. Installing Microsoft Teams on your desktop is a seamless process. Let's walk through the steps together to get you set up and ready to go. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in www.microsoft.com/teams. This will take you to the Teams homepage where all the magic begins. Once you're on the site, look around for the download button specifically for the desktop version. This is usually prominently displayed to make the process as smooth as possible for users like you. Now, once you find that download for desktop button, go ahead and click on it. This action will automatically start downloading the installer to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments, so feel free to stretch your legs or grab a glass of water while it finishes. It's always good to stay hydrated. After the download completes, you'll locate the installer file in your downloads folder or wherever you've set your browser to save files. It's typically named something obvious like Teams, OS, Windows, x64, or similar. Ready? Great. Go ahead and double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Windows might prompt you with a standard security message asking if you're sure you want to run this file. This is just a routine check, so just click Yes to proceed. The installer will now guide you through the setup. It's a series of straightforward prompts. You'll have the chance to read through the license agreement, and while it might seem tempting to skip this part, it's often a good idea to at least glance through it. Once you're ready, hit that agree or next button to move on to the actual installation. The installer will do its thing, placing Microsoft Teams in the appropriate folders and setting everything up for you. While this is running, feel free to reflect on just how simple technology makes our lives, or maybe start thinking about what you'll use Teams for once it's up and running. The process should only take a few minutes. Once the installation wraps up, you'll typically be greeted with a completion screen and possibly an option to launch Teams right away. Go ahead and check that box to launch it if it's there, or simply locate the Teams icon on your desktop or in your start menu if you want to open it manually. That's it. You're all set up with Microsoft Teams on your desktop, ready to communicate, collaborate, and connect with ease. Thanks for following along with this guide. Enjoy your newfound productivity with Microsoft Teams, and I'll see you in the next video.